Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss geometry. Okay, so about the transversal and the more types of angles we are going to discuss. Before going to that, so please subscribe the channel, watch the video and share this video to your friends. Okay, like the videos and you can comment. If you have any doubt, you can comment. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. Your support is I need so much from your help. Okay, please subscribe and let us go to the topic, that transversal line. What is mean by a transversal line? So let us go to the definition, that the line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal line. The line, so one line is there, one line which is divides two or more lines at a distinct point. Distinct means at different points, not at all same, not at all should be same. Those must be different points. Let us take two lines. So this AB, so this is AB line, and take another CD line. These two are the two lines. So for these two lines, one line is intersecting like this. So that is, you can take PQ. PQ is the another line. Yes. So is the PQ is the transversal for AB and CD? Let us check. So for this AB line segment, this PQ line segment is intersecting at point, that is you can consider X, and PQ line segment and also meeting and also intersecting CD at Y. Is X and Y, is these 2 points are different points or same point? Different, that is distinct points. Yes. So according to the definition, PQ is intersecting these two lines at distinct points. So then we can say PQ is the transversal. Yes. Here what is the transversal line? PQ is the transversal line. PQ is the transversal. Okay. Next, one more example. So when you want to represent a line with a single letter, we should represent with small alphabets. Yes, we should remember. That is, we can do that. Is this is line N, this is line M, this is line L. You can take. So this is, you can take line T. So is that line T is the transversal or not? Line T is intersecting how many lines? At 3 lines. At how many distinct points? Is all 3 are distinct? For all these 3 lines, it is intersecting at distinct point or same points. Let us check here. So this transversal line T intersect line M at some other point. You can consider A. Yes. And the transversal line T intersect M at B. You can consider. The transversal line L intersect C. You can consider. Here A, B, C. These 3 are the different points. That means distinct points. Is the T is the transversal or not? Yes, here T is the transversal. T is the transversal line. Okay, that must be 2 or more than lines. Okay, that lines 2 or more than 2 it should be, and that points, intersection point must be different. Okay, let us check here. Now, can take, I am taking these 2 lines and I am drawing one line. So can you identify? So this is line N and M, this is L. Here what is the transversal line? You can identify. The line is intersects line M at this point and line N at this point. Is these 2 are different or? Yes, different. So we can say these two, this L is the transversal line in this figure. Next, see This you can take two transfer, then you can take these two lines, one is M, one is N, and you can draw another line which is T. Is the T is a transversal line? Let us check. This transversal line T, this line T intersect M at O, and the line intersect M at O only. So that these two. So for M and N, for these two lines, the transversal line meeting at the same point, intersecting at the same point. So this is not a T is, according to the given definition, this T is not a transversal line. Yes, it is not a T is not a transversal. Okay, are you understand? Next, let us see. Okay, see. L, M, N, this is T. In the figure, can you say, is the T is the transversal line? From the figure, can you say, is the T is the transversal line or not? Let us check. Okay, this T line intersect line L at some point, that is we can consider A. Okay, and line T intersect M also, that is which you can consider B. And line T intersect N also at, that also intersecting at same point B. Okay, the line T intersect M and N at same point B only. But what is the definition? Two or more lines at a distinct point. But here in these two lines, for these two lines it is intersecting at same point. So we cannot say here T is the transversal line. Okay, these two lines also it should be distinct, then only it is a transversal for these three lines. Okay, next one. For this figure, so you can, I am taking this is line L, this is line M, and this is line P, and this is line Q. Can you say which is the transversal line? Can you say which is the transversal line? So here we can say that the line L is intersecting line P at some point, you can take A, and line L is intersecting line Q at some other point B. So line L intersecting P and Q at two distinct points. So then can I say L is a transversal? Yes, L is a transversal line. And you can take line M intersecting P at some other point C, and line M intersecting Q some other point D. Can I say M is a transversal line now? Yes, M is a transversal line. And P is a transversal for line M and line L? Check. Your line L is transversal, line M is also transversal with respect to the line P and Q. Next, line P if you take, so if line P is intersect line M at C, line L at A, so at two distinct points, then P is also a transversal line. Okay, and is Q is the transversal line in this figure? Check. This line is intersecting what are the two lines? Line M and line L. So Q is intersecting line M at D, Q is intersecting line L at B. So B and D are different points, distinct points. Yes, so we can say Q is also a transversal. Okay, in this figure line L is transversal and line M is transversal, and line P is transversal, line Q is also transversal. Okay, so I hope you have a good clarity based on you have a good clarity about the transversal line, which is a transversal line, which is not a transversal line, you may understand. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay.